So, hello everyone. My name is Meera Mulising and I'm from Lucknow. And my today's topic is lactation and postnatal care. And before I start with the presentation, I would like to express my gratitude to our teacher, Dr. Nutan ma'am, for giving us such an amazing platform where she shared so much of knowledge and information. And not just that, she um, allowed us to express and learn. Also, I would like to thank Deepika ma'am and Swati ma'am. And also, I would like to thank my mother, my daughter, and my husband. All right, so let's begin. All right, so as said by our ancestors that a breast milk is as equivalent as amrit, and the reason is cholesterol. Cholesterol is something which is a power pack combination of protein, fats, antibodies, which helps our child to grow, and it also plays the role of immune booster. So what exactly is colostrum? Colostrum is the first milk which comes after the birth. Whether you are a C-section mom or a normal delivery mom, the first milk should be given to your baby by your breast within an hour or 2 hours. It is really important, and colostrum is something which is highly concentrated and it is thick and sticky. It may look like yellowish, clear, white in color. So, all right. So the benefits of breast, ma'am, I hope the screen is changing, right? Okay. So the benefits of breastfeeding for baby. Now, who would have thought that we women have the power to produce food for a human being? So this is something which makes us women superhuman, you can say. So breast milk is something which I like I mentioned before, it is a power pack combination of vitamins, protein, fats, everything that a baby needs to grow. Breast milk is something which helps our baby to fight with all the allergies. It helps our baby to it helps to fight with the viruses and bacteria. It also lowers the risk of asthma and allergies and other infections. Breastfeeding is also it prevents the SIDC, which is sudden infant death syndrome. Also, studies shows that breastfeeding is something which is linked with the IQ scores. Study has proven that the mothers who are exclusively breastfeeding their baby, those kids are having amazing grasping power. So these are some of the wonderful benefits for breastfeeding for the baby. Also, now who would have thought that we women who is producing food for our baby is also breastfeeding is also gives us benefits. Now the best benefit a woman, a new mom can have is breast milk. Breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding helps her to burn extra calorie which she gained during the pregnancy. Also it helps her to get back into the normal shape, which is called as the pre-pregnancy stage. It helps the hormone, it releases the hormone which is oxytocin, which helps the uterus to return back to the pre-pregnancy size. Also breastfeed lowers the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Not just that, it also helps a mother to bond with her baby, which initially helps her to increase, which helps her to boost her lactation. Also the breastfeeding benefits is that that the smell of the baby and the touch of the baby not just heal her physically but also heal her mentally. How to boost lactation? Now this is the very common and common concern of every new mom, that whether I'm having producing enough milk for my baby, or whether my baby is getting satisfied with my breastfeeding. But yes, breastfeeding, the how to boost lactation is something which is very common concern in every new mom. So how to boost our lactation? First very important is do exclusive breastfeeding for minimum 6 months. It it not just increases breast milk, but also it helps to develop baby's immune system. Gentle massage on the breast before and after lactation. uh, and the most common thing is less stress and higher what we say lactation breast milk. Also make sure that your diet and you are getting plenty of rest, because our ancestor says that, our elder says that when the baby is sleeping, the mother, new mom, should also sleep. It helps her to heal from the body which she's gone through all the stress. Also make sure that the new mom is offering both the breast after every 15 minutes during feeding. Also proper diet where she is given jaggery, fenugreek seeds, shatavari, nuts. These are some of the herbs, and these are some of the food item which boost her lactation. Breastfeeding position. Now these are some of the common 5 breastfeeding position, but I would like to suggest that please do not experiment with your baby. Make sure that whichever breastfeeding position you are selecting with your baby, make sure it is comfortable, it is relaxing for you and your baby. Physiology of milk production. Now this is something so interesting that whenever my personal experience, when I used to feed my baby, I always used to think that how milk is producing, how my body is producing milk. So thanks to ma'am that who taught us in depth that how milk is produced. So the stimulation of nipple by the baby sucking initiate action towards sensory neurons, which is connected to hypothalamus, which is the boss. Now here again, the hypothalamus stimulates the posterior pituitary as well as interior pituitary, which releases oxytocin and prolactin. Now the best part is oxytocin stimulates milk releases from the breast, and prolactin stimulates additional milk production. So basically it's a supply and demand. And now the most important, postnatal care. Here I would like to say that I have come across this amazing quote while I was studying, which is, you got to get nourished to get flourish. So this goes to every woman and mother. And now what is postnatal care? Postnatal care is something which start exactly after delivery and last for 6 to 8 weeks. Now during this postnatal care, the proper diet of mother and proper attention towards baby and mother is equally important. Now we often forget when a baby is the new member entered in our family, so we often give attention to just baby, not to mother. But equally attention, equally care is important. Mother has gone through a lot of physical, emotional changes while giving the birth. So postnatal care is as equal as the attention which we are giving towards our baby. Now it is normal if there are 70 to 80% mothers don't get connected immediately with the baby, which initially convert into baby blue and postnatal depression. But as when this process takes 2 weeks, minimum 2 weeks. And if I personally suggest, if this postpartum depression is increasing, the symptoms are increasing, which are commonly as sadness, anger, restlessness, then please kindly consult to the doctor, because it gets worse with the time. Now, what is Sutika Paricharya? Again, Sutika Paricharya is after delivery, a new mom is very weak and sensitive, like I mentioned. And so Ayurveda provides different answers and different solutions for new mother to heal from that process, such as daily massage from sesame oil, bath with warm water, keep the breast and our genital area clean, a proper diet and rest always helps mother to get strength and build her confidence and heal physically and emotionally. Taking proper vitamins and medication also is very important, and covering our ear and abdomen with the cotton cloth is also very important. Now, this postpartum phase is is divided into three phases, like first 10 days, first 45 days, and until the regular menstruation start. So this is something which is very interesting. Postnatal care for mother. Now, postnatal care for mother is nothing but to give her equally importance, attention, and care. Now, gentle. Now, here the postnatal care for mother is also to give her proper time, to give her plenty of rest, to take to let her adjust in the whole thing, because literally change after, it is very common that change after the birth of the baby is very challenging. So it's okay, don't rush. Regular checkup is very, very important after pregnancy, so do not miss any of the doctor appointment. And postnatal care for baby. Now, what is postnatal care for baby? So after birth till next 45 days, it is very important to monitor baby as well as mother. So postnatal care is nothing but to not to leave baby alone. Also keep the baby warm. Make sure that the baby is wearing 1 or 2 layer extra more than adult. Do not touch umbilical cord. Do not cut. Do not let it wet. Visit doctor on the 3rd, 7th, and 4th to 6th week after birth, and do a lot of skin to skin. This kangaroo care literally helps to boost mother and baby's strength. And now, postnatal yoga and its benefits. Now, yoga, whenever we hear the word yoga, yoga is something which is always gives us positivity and helps us to boost our strength. So yoga is something, this postpartum yoga is low intensity yoga practice where it helps to strengthen and tone abdomen muscle. It boosts energy, it promotes better sleep, it prevents postpartum depression, and helps mother to enjoy her motherhood. And thank you so much for being so kind and patient. I hope this slide was informative. Thank you.